Well, it's me, DIYTyler. Welcome back to the shop. Welcome back to Chapter 2. We're not back to Chapter 2. Welcome to Chapter 2. It has been 339 days and 4 hours, apparently, since I uploaded the last video. And taking a hiatus was not exactly part of the plan when I posted that video. But life happens, things changed. I discovered that I was exhausted, tired, worn out, a little bit burnt out, I guess. Doesn't mean I haven't been doing lots of fun things in the shop. It's been very busy in here. I have a huge stack of cutting boards right there in front of me, had some client projects, and I've been immensely busy at our church, which was kind of the last project video we had up here was about the pavilion. But we've done a lot of other work there, and that's taken up a lot of my time. But we're turning a page, starting a new chapter here at DIYTyler, because it is finally time to do the kitchen of my wife's dreams. And that's the set of plans I have in front of me right here. It is a big project. We have work to do in the house to prepare for this kitchen, and then obviously we have a kitchen to build, which for those of you that don't know, this is actually the third kitchen that I will have built in this shop. The first two were not for me. One of them was for my dad. That was actually content on this channel at the lake house that flooded back in 2020, so 5.5 years ago now. And then I did another one with my brother-in-law, which is down in Missouri, still in use daily today. And we built that kitchen in 1 week. Raw material to in the trailer, out the door. That was crazy. That was a lot of work. We're not going to do this one quite as fast. Both of those previous kitchens were poplar doors, and poplar rails and stiles with plywood panel door, and lacquered. So they were colored, kind of like other projects we've done, the laundry room and the locker rooms that we did at this house. We're still in the same house, still in the same shop. None of that has changed. I've just gotten a little older, kids have gotten a little bigger, taking a little more time, running them where they need to go and partaking in life with them, not wanting to miss out on that. But this kitchen is significantly bigger, and we're going to do natural wood. So it's going to be a clear coat finish, which involves using hardwoods. So it's going to take a little bit more time, but I do think it's going to be absolutely stunning. For in the house, we actually need to remove a load-bearing wall. We're going to take a load-bearing wall out. We're going to join the current kitchen into what is a living room, and we're going to make that a big, big open concept kitchen. The kitchen has 37 doors, 37 cabinet doors, 14 drawers, 17 different box carcasses on this, and it's going to have roughly 4,000 pounds of countertop, which we actually just shook hands on that countertop this morning, and that's kind of what has really got this ball rolling, because that could be ready in a couple weeks. Obviously, we're going to need a little bit more time than that to do all this work. But this is just the cabinets that we're talking about. Like I said, we got to remove a load-bearing wall. We need to support floors better to be able to take a ton of countertop island space. We have finish to order. We have appliances. We're going to upgrade from your typical 36 inch stove to a 48 inch 6 or 8 burner stove. So we're going to really, really upgrade that. So we got to support the floors. We got to put beams in, molly columns in the crawl space. We're going to put new floors in. We're going to get rid of ceilings, and popcorn ceiling is going to put and finish them nice and smooth. We got to put new electrical in. We have a lot of work to do, and once we're done with this, we're going to move on to replacing that living room that we're removing with yet another addition on the house. That is projecting into next year, possibly doing that addition. We will need to replace that living room space, and maybe we'll put another bedroom on there while we're at it as well. But times change, things change, life changes, so don't actually hold me to that schedule. Just like the wooden boat is still here. It's just wrapped up and it's outside. I didn't actually work very much on that at all in the past year, because like I said, I was just a little bit burnt out from doing the woodworking and very, very busy at church as well. I think that's enough for yapping. I'm well, the family's well. I hope you guys are doing well as well. Say hello down in the comments down below. I'll try to respond to all of the ones on this video at least, so that we can strike up a conversation again. I did miss you guys. I hope everything is well. Thanks to those of you that reached out to make sure I was okay, saying you missed the content. It does mean a lot. I just needed a little break, but I am ready to get started and ready to show you every aspect of this kitchen remodel to give the wife the kitchen of her dreams. Hammer that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications if that's your thing. I'm DIYTyler, Chapter 2, and we'll see you in the next one.